makapagsagot sa mga questions ng teacher or ng professor mo. So, bilang isang dermatologist, what are the 3 things that we focus on when we treat atopic dermatitis? Number 1 is skincare. So, yung pag-educate namin on how to bathe and how to moisturize. Number 2 is trigger avoidance. Kasi may mga certain triggers na pwedeng mag-cause ng mas lumala yung atopic dermatitis. And number 3 is applying medications. So, we would recommend certain medications na i-apply sa skin or even a procedure like a phototherapy to better manage atopic dermatitis. Of course, this is tailored. Of course, for example, if I recommend phototherapy, tas yung pasyente hindi naman makapunta for phototherapy kasi 2 to 3 times a week yun, and then I wouldn't be able to recommend this option for them to better manage their atopic dermatitis. Of course, pinaka-importante is to moisturize. When I see patients with this condition for the first time, na hindi pa nagpa-check up sa ibang dermat, nagugulat din sila na part ng treatment ng ganitong condition is to moisturize. Ang idea kasi is kapag nagpahid ka ng gamot, yun talaga yung magpapagaling sa iyong condition. But it's not. It's part of the treatment because it's very dry yung skin. So, when you moisturize the skin, essentially, you're helping your skin na hindi ka na masyado magpapahid ng maraming gamot. So, makakatipid ka din. So, choosing the right moisturizer, applying it often and properly is one of the important things in managing this condition. Kapag naligo, right after you take a bath, mga 3 minutes after, you really have to apply na agad yung moisturizer mo. Anong moisturizer? Of course, kailangan mo magpa-check up sa isang board-certified dermatologist. You check the website of the Philippine Dermatological Society, kung sino yung dermatologist nearest you, tapos pa-check up ka. Next is applying medications. The medications would depend, of course, sa dermatologist kung ano yung gaano ka-severe, yung dami ng atopic dermatitis, kung anong location ng AD, and then lastly, kung of course, syempre yung budget mo din, of course, kasi hindi naman mura yung mga gamot. Ano yung ma-recommend ko? Punta ka sa derma para yung tamang gamot yung ma-recommend sa iyo. And then, trigger avoidance. Maraming pwedeng mag-trigger ng atopic dermatitis. Number 1 is dry air, sweat, and stress. So, you notice na yung ganitong condition, mas common siya kapag kunyari taglamig na or pumunta ka sa malamig na lugar, mas nangangati kasi mas nagda-dry yung skin. Stress is one thing na medyo mahirap i-identify because we all have stress in our life. Pero, of course, for example, mas napupuyat ka, mas mag-e-exam, mas stress ka, magda-dry yung skin mo, pwedeng mas mangangati talaga. So, that's how it works. So, anyways, that's my tips for you. Magpa-check